Installing the membership directory script takes 4 simple steps to install. The first step is to create a MySQL database with a username and password, then import a MySQL file into the database you've created. Sounds hard to do? No worries, it's easier than you think. The second step is to upload and uncompress the membership directory script setup files. The third step is to edit the database configuration file. And lastly, create an iframe for where you want the database to be displayed on your website. So, let's get started. First, log into your cPanel backend for your hosting account. Scroll down to the MySQL database wizard. Click on the MySQL database wizard icon. The wizard will bring you through a set of steps to create your database with a username and password. In the first step, you can type in the database name that you would like to use for your membership database script. For this tutorial, I'll be using the database name Membership Database. When you are finished typing in your database name, click the Next Step button. On the next page, you can type in the username and password you would like to use for this database. When you've selected your username and password, click on Create User to continue. Now, you will give your username you made privileges to access and write to the database. Simply click on All Privileges to select all privileges. Then click on the Next Step button. Now you have finished creating your database, username, and password for the membership database script. Be sure to keep the full database name, username, and password information on hand, as we'll be using it later to set up the rest of the script. Now we need to import the MySQL file to our database we just made. Now, while we are in cPanel, go back to the cPanel Control Panel homepage. Next, scroll down to the PHP MyAdmin icon and click on it. Once the PHP MyAdmin page loads, you will want to click on your database that you just made on the left side menu. Once you have clicked on the database you just made for the membership directory script, click on the Import tab. On the Import page, you will want to browse your computer and select the membership database script .sql.zip file to import into the database. Once you have selected the database file, you can leave all the other settings to its default selections. Be sure that the format is in SQL, then press the Go button. You have now finished setting up your database for use with the membership directory script. Watch the next video to continue to step 2 of the installation, where I will show you how to set up the membership database script files on your server.